They're unsightly and embarrassing, but they can also be very painful. Varicose veins are knotted, enlarged veins that may be visible through the skin. Most often occurring in the legs or feet, varicose veins are a common nuisance for many, but for some, they can cause aching, swelling, and burning.
My varicose veins were painful, they were ugly, it looked like there was a snake sticking out of the side of my leg. It was bad.
Varicose veins are caused by increased blood pressure in veins near the skin's surface. Vein valves allow blood to go back to the heart in one direction. As we age, they degenerate and can leak. This condition is called venous reflux or venous insufficiency. Sitting or standing for a long period of time causes the blood to pool, increasing pressure on the veins and sometimes stretching them out. The result? Thick, twisted cords known as varicose veins.
Varicose veins can present with a sundry of symptoms, and there are 11 that are most common. They include aching, pain in the legs, heaviness, tiredness, fatigue, itching, burning, cramping, throbbing, restless legs, and swelling of the ankles and legs.
Although historically varicose veins were thought to be more common in women, recent studies show that men and women are equally at risk. They're also hereditary, so if you're not sure if you're at risk, take a look at your parents' legs. Other risk factors include obesity, inactivity, and pregnancy. There are ways to help prevent or slow the development of varicose veins. Losing weight, exercise, and elevating your feet can help. But once they do develop, patients have non-surgical and surgical treatment options.
The non-surgical options to treat varicose veins, spider veins, and reticular veins are somewhere in size between the spider veins, also known as thread veins, and the bulging varicose veins, are injections and also topical or transdermal lasers on the skin. These are the most popular ones, but the sclerotherapy, which is the injections, and the lasers on the skin are really for the smaller veins, the spider and reticular veins, and not for the bulging varicose veins. The surgical treatment options for varicose veins include the traditional vein stripping operation, and recently with endovenous ablation procedures, instead of removing or stripping this vein, is closing it from the inside and leaving it in the body. So that's one surgical option to treat venous insufficiency. And subsequent options are to remove, by making tiny little puncture wounds in the skin, remove the branches. And that's like trimming shrubs and basically taking it to healthy trunk of a tree, the same thing to the healthy veins.
Since I've had the treatments done, I have no more stabbing pains, aching, heaviness, no more restless legs. My legs feel like they did when I was in my teens.
No one has to live with varicose veins. A diagnostic ultrasound is the most accurate test to detect vein disorders.
I rode in on my motorcycle, had a procedure done, venous closure, got back on the motorcycle, and went back about my business. I wish I could have had it done earlier, and I would recommend to anybody, look, if you have any problems, now's the time. You know, while we're young, let's go here, because later on, you're gonna have problems, and you're gonna wish, like I did, that you could have had this done before you did.
The Vein Treatment Center is the premier center for vein disorders in the Buffalo, New York area. Led by board-certified cardiothoracic surgeon and phlebologist Hratch Karamanoukian, the team at the Vein Treatment Center uses state-of-the-art techniques for diagnosing and treating conditions of the veins.
Individuals like me that do phlebology spend 95% or better of their times doing phlebology. And with our backgrounds in this specialty, we can better provide care and not just look at the cosmetic concerns. If we fix the underlying cause, if we address the venous insufficiency, then we can minimize recurrence rates, improve outcomes, and allow you not to waste your money on things that are going to come back in 3 or 6 months. I think we have a better solution, and it's important for patients to see board-certified phlebologists for that reason.
Often, one patient may suffer with several different vein conditions. The team at the Vein Treatment Center delivers an extensive variety of therapies to give patients optimal results. All treatments are performed under local anesthesia, and patients can go home less than an hour after the procedure is complete.
Dr. Karamanoukian actually removes the veins. He does real tiny incisions, and to date I think I had 7 procedures, and they're very, very painless. I mean, the procedures take about 20 minutes. Within a day or so, I mean, last year when I had one, I was snowmobiling that evening. My results are quite significant. Every morning I would get up, my legs would be stiff. I mean, I was walking like a 70-year-old. Now I get up in the morning, you know, I'm walking like a 17-year-old again. I probably wouldn't be here right now if I didn't come to Dr. Karamanoukian's office. Because of him being an advanced cardiac surgeon, he found an aortic aneurysm in my heart. And most doctors, I mean, I came in for varicose veins. Most doctors wouldn't have even looked at my heart.
I first noticed the varicose veins probably about 2 years ago, and they increased because I'm on my feet more now, working the 2 part-time jobs, and that's where you can feel it. Your legs get tired and heavy, and you can't sleep at night. You get the pulsations in your legs. I have had the closing procedures, and then today the foam treatment. My legs feel pretty good. I can stand and do 8-hour shifts again, and they're not tired. I don't have the leg sensations at night, and I can sleep through the night again.
Hearing my mom's horror stories about having painful vein stripping and remembering things that I do, I didn't want to have that done, and I was hoping that someday something better would come along, and Dr. Karamanoukian and the Vein Treatment Center, I wish I'd found out about it long before I did.
We have all the different types of devices, the laser devices, the radio frequency devices to treat venous insufficiency. We are pioneers in doing the foam sclerotherapy, and we were always incorporating newer techniques, and that's what we do.
If you suffer with varicose veins or other vein disorders, visit the Vein Treatment Center. Diagnosis and treatment of vein and arterial disorders all under one roof. For more information, visit veinsveins.com.